And around the central vein are your hepatocytes, which is the parenchyma of the liver, arranged in cords, rows, or in columns. Okay? So, arrangement, rows, ano, wala tuloy ako. Sinabi ko?
Rows, cords, columns.
Cords, columns.
Okay. Art.
So, hepatocytes are, what is the shape again of your hepatocyte? Polygonal, polyhedral. Number of
Mono and bi.
dalawang klase.
Mono and bi.
Mono and bi. Yan klase, tinawag ng mono at isang bi. Okay? And then, the arrangement, as I said,
Chords.
okay? Now, the hepatic sinusoids are these spaces na mawawala na siya, no? The sinusoids are specialized capillaries of the liver. So, they are found in between. So, yung mga, this one, the white space here, that's a sinusoid. Okay? Normally, there should be blood inside mga red blood cells. This one. This one is the sinusoid. Okay? So these are your hepatic sinusoids. What else do we have to look for in your liver? The portal triads, okay? Triads yan, kasi madami ang mga triads. Slide na. Dr. Supo.
Sabi ma'am, sabi. Sabi.
You're supposed to know the organ the moment you see the slide.
Liver.
Eh, oo nga, yun lang Pero very talented pa lang MCQ.
Yeah.
O, tama na commercial. Now, we look for the portal triad.
There. Up there.
Actually, maraming portal triad sa liver. What are the
Hepatic vein.
Okay, hepatic artery, portal vein, and bile duct. Kaya nga triad eh, tatlo. Pag-juwet. Oh, sino ba nag-jowet sa inyo?
Yung kamukha mo ma'am, tapos.
Talaga? Sabi ka ng anak. Si Molly, si King sa kabilang section. Well, magtatanggapin niya ako na.
Brian na po.
Si Brian, nag-iisip ako marami. Sino? Who daw?
Wala.
Takot ako maging anak si Jubilin.
Makakain pa ako
panaginip si Jubilin. Please, pang Beyonce. Last, hindi ako makakita na magandang portal triad.
Never mind.
This one. Yan siya. Siya kasunod.
Hindi naman, man.
Okay. Plus this one, the one in... Last change slide. Sino ba sa inyo may slide na maganda ng portal triad? Kaya ka naman.
Ayaw.
Di wag.